Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching from. We are back here again with another Igbo lesson. Today we are going to briefly look into the simple sentences which we are using on daily basis. As always, we are going to go through them together, and then at your own time and pace, you should be repeating it until you get to understand them. They are simple if you pay attention to it. If you are just following us for the first time, please subscribe, like, and share so that you will always be getting our updates as we post them. Let us go. We have number one, Anam ekelegi. Anam ekelegi. Anam ekelegi is I am greeting you. Bia nso. Bia nso. Bia nso means come closer. Ị na-abịa. Ị na-abịa. Ị na-abịa is are you coming? Nyere m aka. Nyere m aka. Lend me a helping hand. In other words, help me. Onye na-akpọ m. Onye na-akpọ m. Who is calling me? In this sentence, you will realize that onye na-akpọ m, where we have na-akpọ, we have in between a hyphen. Some of the vowels that face each other, we use hyphen to demarcate them. As we go down, you will also be seeing some of them. There are some vowels that you demarcate with inverted comma. As we move on to classes and lessons, you will be seeing them, and I will be taking my time to explain this. So number 5 says, Onye na-akpọ m, which is who is calling me. Number 6 says, Meghere m ụzọ. Meghere m ụzọ. Meghere m ụzọ is open the door for me. Mechie ụzọ. Mechie ụzọ. Mechie ụzọ is close the door. Ị chọrọ iri nri. Ị chọrọ iri nri. Ị chọrọ iri nri is do you want to eat? Agụụ na-agụ m. Agụụ na-agụ m. Agụụ na-agụ m is I am hungry. Ana m aga akwụkwọ. Ana m aga akwụkwọ. Ana m aga akwụkwọ is I am going to school. Mmiri na-ezo. Mmiri na-ezo. Mmiri na-ezo is rain is falling. Mechie ọnụ gị. Mechie ọnụ gị. Mechie ọnụ gị is close your mouth. You can simply say shut your mouth. Si ebe a pụọ. Si ebe a pụọ. Si ebe a pụọ is get out of here. Let us go through this at our own pace and time. You will understand them. As you are picking them, you will begin to hear and understand when any Igbo person speaks. When you hear somebody say, Ana m ekele gị, I am greeting you, you can simply reply to him or her because you have got to know it. We are coming to the end of today's lesson. Please subscribe, like, and share, as we are going to continuously be bringing you one after the other what we have in our syllabus. Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye.